Shopify Error 422. HTTP Error 422 Unprocessable Entity occurs when the request sent to the Shopify server is well-formed but contains semantic errors, usually due to invalid form inputs, e.g. email, pricing, missing required fields, API errors with incorrect data format, CSRF token mismatch. How to fix Shopify Error 422, step by step. 1. Check your form inputs. Ensure required fields are filled out correctly. Remove special characters or HTML from inputs. 2. Validate email, price, SKU fields. Ensure proper format, e.g. email must have @ price must be a number. 3. Refresh your page. Token-based errors like CSRF can be fixed by refreshing the session. 4. Clear cache or use incognito. Session or cookie corruption may trigger a 422. 5. Check Shopify App API submission if you're a developer. If you're using an app or API, validate JSON structure. Ensure all required parameters are included. Check response logs for the exact field causing the issue. 6. Revert any custom code. Custom theme changes, especially in liquid forms or JavaScript validations, can cause this. 7. Contact Shopify support. If you can't isolate the issue, get direct help from Shopify support, help.shopify.com, SEO optimize